Hello, John. All right.
Hello, hello.
There we are.
Hello.
We're in John's workshop. I love it in here. Look, it's great. Aladdin's cave here. Look, isn't it? There we are. John's workbench over there. There we go. Working on a Bang & Olufsen music centre.
Just found out his bloody IC blown up because of negligence.
Negligent, yeah. Just fixing this little Dell computer. There we go. And the old workshop. Great. Great place.
Got a bit of breaking news to bring you. The masked armed robber who collapsed and died after being disarmed and restrained by customers at a bootmaker's in Plymouth has been named by Devon and Cornwall Police as 50-year-old Alan Levers.
And these are all high definition as well, you know. You can plug into a high definition TV, yeah.
We'll have more details on that at the top of the hour. In the meantime, though, there is another chance now to see your money with Declan coming.
Alright, let's stop it now then. Let's stop.
This is your money, your weekly guide to making the most of